Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula. This is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, haul, reviews, fashion hauls, you name it, a little bit of everything. It's a lifestyle kind of channel. If this is the kind of channel you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and join us at the family. I post regularly every week, so I'd like to say thank you so much, my return supporters. Love you guys, thank you, I appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video we're going to be trying on and talking about a little bit these two EVE LOM products here. I have here the Moisture Radiant Hydration Mask, and this mask is, the Moisture Mask is amazing. This is actually a new formula, so it's fabulous. And I have here the cleansing, the EVE LOM Cleansing Balm. Is a cleanser balm that is fabulous, fantastic. If you are like me that's a fan of cleansing balm, this is for you. You're gonna fall in love. They smell, I swear, when you put that in your face, you close your eyes, you feel like you're in a spa. Yes, that's exactly the feeling. So I also have here the EVE LOM Moisture Cream. This is one that I use regularly a lot. I've been using this one for, I don't know, probably 3 or 4 months, and I love this product so much. EVE LOM is an amazing brand. If you're not familiar with them, they have fantastic skincare, fantastic, you know, love them. So let's go try these two beauty here and talk a little bit about them. Okay, so I'm going to start cleaning my skin with the EVE LOM Cleansing Balm. I love this cleansing balm. It smells so good. This is the texture. My light is so bright there, so I'm trying to. So I have like a little spatula here that I like to use to pick up some product. And the one thing I love about this product is a little bit goes a long way. And that's pretty much it. I like to put on my hands and warm it up the product a little bit, and when it started to melting down, that's when I apply to my skin. And this is great too for removing makeup. You know, now I'm having makeup on, but if I have taken out with this product, it's so much easier. You just apply all over your face and use like a little wet towel or wet cloth, and everything comes right out. This definitely cleans your skin deep down and cleans your skin, and don't actually get your skin dry or strip your skin for its natural oil, which is great. I just love a gentle cleansing like that, a cleansing balm. When you finish cleaning your skin is just so soft, and they actually penetrate the skin and get rid of all the pollution debris, makeup debris, all the yuck stuff that's under the skin without damage or drying out your skin. I just love this cleanse balm. And normally I do rub my skin for like, I don't know, if I have the time, a minute or so, and then after that I get my little EVE LOM Muslin Cloth, and then I just normally do this on the sink on my bathroom, but for the sake of the video, since we have our lights here set up here, I just have a little warm water bowl there where I can dip my facial cloth and just wipe the product off the skin. And this smells so good. Definitely been one of my favorite cleanser for a long time. I am a big fan of cleansing balm, especially now around the winter time, now that my skin tends to get a little dry, so it's really good. Just like that, my skin's all clean and smooth. So now I'm just going to wash this really quick and come back so we can apply some moisturizer or face mask. Alright, so I'm back and my skin is pretty clean. So now we're just going to talk a little bit about this cleansing balm. One thing that I love about is free of harmful additive. It's a non-comedogenic, hydrates your skin, remove waterproof makeup, is suitable for sensitive skin, which is great. And these have 4 blends of aromatic oils that helps cleanse the skin and makeup and everything and hydrate the skin, which is great. It's just one amazing cleansing balm, so definitely it's one of my favorite on my skincare at this moment. So I'm gonna put it down so we can add some moisturizer to the skin. Alright, and for today's moisturizer we're going to be adding the moisture mask from EVE LOM. Alright, so we're going to be adding some of this mask to the skin, and this is Sun. And this helps your skin to look brighter, youthful and hydrated. So I'm just gonna add some all over the face. You can use this mask morning or evening. I like to use evening. In the morning when I wake up, my skin just looks so glowy, so hydrated, so amazing. And anything that I have left, I like to put on my hands, because hands need love too. Alright, so let's talk a little bit about the mask. I'm gonna read a little bit for you guys from the website info. They have here: reveal brighter and hydrate younger looking skin with a deeply hydrating moisture mask. This intense skin booster is designed to be used twice a week. Okay, so you can use twice a week. Yeah, that twice a week it is for me. Plus I have my EVE LOM cream, moisturizer cream, that I'm going to show you guys in a minute, that I've been using for a while now. Or whenever your skin feels thirsty and dehydrated, with the advanced complex of skin quench to swift restore the skin moisture, balanced and defend against future dryness. Do dehydrated skin is actively replenished and enriched formula for more radiant complexion. Love this. And this also is free from harmful additive, is hyper-hydrating, suitable for all skin types, multi benefits, promote skin health. Amazing. I'm loving this mask since I get it. It's been a little bit since I got these, probably like 2 or 3 weeks, so this video is so overdue, but I've been using, so I feel the results. So when I talk about, I can tell you guys, you know, exactly how I felt when I use, and it does, especially when I put on at night time. In the morning my skin just looks so beautiful, hydrated and plump, bright, and feeling looking amazing. You know, the day that you have a good skin day, that's the next day after I use this amazing mask. So yeah, so that's all for this video review. I hope you guys enjoy, and I see you guys next video. Bye.